Hey guys, I'm back with Leonis, and I was just going to. We were on our way, and poor little River got eaten by a hawk. Got swooped up and got clawed to death. I was chasing a coyote just to protect my puppies, and there goes River all the way into the sky. Oh, you're back for more? No, you don't! Howl, puppies. Howl. I need to get that little bastard coming back for my puppies again? No. Where's that little guy gonna land? How about this? No, you took one of my puppies. You're not gonna take a second. I would do anything just to kill the hawks. Forrest, you could come back. I'm getting food for them. Poor little River died, and now we have 3 puppies. So they're already doing worse than they're already doing worse than Pandora. Well, his mother did. If I hadn't, poor little Waterfall would have died, but then now River died. Would have rather have someone else die. Lucky rabbit's foot? It's a lucky rabbit. It's a lucky rabbit we could actually all eat. Hope they probably might not do a great job. Come on, puppies, let's go. Poor River. My mate was really close to River when River died. I don't know why. Last time when River was targeted by another hawk, the River, Forrest said no and kicked the feathers off of the hawk. Where's Cliff? Cliff, please stop doing that. We can't risk any more puppies. Raspberry's frozen. Great. Raspberry? No. Where's the next food? We're gonna go across the river. Did Cliff make it all this way? Waterfall, no horsing around. Please, Raspberry. Howl, puppies with me. I need to keep my puppies still. Land right there. You will never get my puppies ever again, you hawk. You took a pup's life, and you think that's it? You could go hunting more? Not on my watch. Bring my puppies over here. How about Waterfall? Forrest, why does this happen to the mates all the time? Cliff, no. No. Cliff, stay. Let's walk towards the river and find a shallow spot to cross. Shallow means I won't have to swim. No. Cliff. Let's go find that shallow spot. This probably looks trustworthy. Nope. Not. No, what are you doing? Get the pup out. Get the pup out. Get the pup out. Get the... Waterfall, you're about to die, are you? Oh my goodness, I need to feed Waterfall. Raspberry! That is a very horrible mother. What did she... Forest! No! You drowned with the puppies. Let's go, poor Cliff. What was Leona's what was I thinking to get some horrible mate for Leonis that kills puppies? No! Go away. You already killed Raspberry, almost killed Waterfall. Come on. Stop doing this. Cliff. Cliff, let's go. Let's go, pups. Let's go away from your mother that killed 2 of our puppies. Killed both of your sisters. Cliff! What are you doing? Get the pup, get the pup, get the pup, and out of the river. I need them to get them away from the river. Come on, puppies. Please. Cliff needs to be fed. Both puppies need to be fed. What a horrible mother would kill one of her own pups. River was a well, not only River was a favorite of mine. No. Go away, Forest. You killed 2 of my puppies. Now the only ones that are left. Waterfall. Cliff is just going to be a black normal wolf. Stop freezing, please. Let's go bring you to the food over there. Let's go, Cliff. Keep away from your mother. Pandora's mate never killed a pup. Waterfall, please. At least she won't touch the pups. F. Come on. How? Feed. I should get her out of the state. No. Waterfall. eat the carcass. We need to protect the pups from its own mother. Wow. Leon has tried his best to protect the puppies, and apparently the mother just killed him. Come here, Waterfall. I need to feed you. Go get Cliff. What mother are you? Don't wag your tail at me. Cliff. River and Raspberry? That's just not fair. Cliff, we know you're lazy, but please. Leave him alone, Forrest. I don't want another pup to die by their own mother. It's okay, Cliff. Your mother won't hurt you anymore. Let's go, puppies. The carcass we started with. But there must be another one. So this will be the end of this video. So yeah, bye.